Welcome back to Trending Cars, your ultimate place for detailed, exciting, and in-depth reviews where we bring you closer to the machines that define luxury, performance, and lifestyle. Today, we have something that doesn't just raise the bar. It creates an entirely new standard in the world of motorhomes. This is not simply a way to travel. It is a statement of unmatched elegance, comfort, and power. We're talking about the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece designed for those who demand nothing less than the absolute best, no matter where the road takes them. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome makes it clear that this is no ordinary RV. It's a perfect combination of Maybach's signature luxury, styling, and cutting-edge Mercedes engineering. The front fascia is dominated by the bold Maybach vertical slat grille, finished in chrome, proudly holding the iconic double M badge. Sleek, adaptive digital LED headlights frame the front end, giving a sharp, futuristic look while ensuring maximum visibility in any condition. The massive, sculpted body lines flow with elegance, while the extended wheelbase ensures road presence like nothing else. Every detail, from the chrome accents to the flush-mounted door handles and the polished 22-inch alloy wheels, screams sophistication. Even the paintwork is available in custom two-tone finishes exclusive to the Maybach line, making this motorhome stand out as a true work of art on wheels. Walk inside, and the interior is nothing short of breathtaking. The craftsmanship here is on another level, blending modern luxury with the warmth of a high-end home. You are greeted with the soft touch of hand-stitched Nappa leather in multiple color options, paired with natural wood veneers and polished metal accents. The ambient lighting system is fully customizable with over 60 color options, setting the perfect mood for any time of day. The driver's cabin is an extension of the luxury SUV experience that Maybach is known for, with a massive dual-screen setup that combines the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system into a seamless glass panel. Every control is intuitive, every button is premium, and the view from the captain's seat feels like commanding a private luxury yacht on the highway. Moving further into the living space, you'll find an open-plan layout designed for maximum comfort and usability. The lounge area is fitted with plush reclining chairs and a large sofa that can be converted into extra sleeping space. A retractable 60-inch 8K smart TV rises from the cabinet with a single touch, paired with a Burmester 3D surround sound system that delivers concert hall quality audio. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with a full-size induction cooktop, built-in convection oven, high-capacity refrigerator, dishwasher, and a wine cooler for those special evenings. All appliances are integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry, maintaining the sleek and uncluttered design. The bedroom is pure luxury on wheels. A full king-size bed with Maybach-branded memory foam mattress ensures perfect rest after a long day of travel. The bed is flanked by personal reading lights, USB-C charging ports, and even wireless charging pads built into side tables. Large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views from the comfort of your bed, and blackout blinds can be lowered at the touch of a button for privacy. The en-suite bathroom continues the theme of opulence, featuring a rainfall shower with mood lighting, a heated towel rack, marble countertops, and premium fixtures finished in brushed gold. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is every bit as impressive as its look suggests. Under the hood lies a refined 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with hybrid assistance, delivering a smooth yet powerful drive. This powertrain produces an impressive output that effortlessly moves the large motorhome while maintaining remarkable efficiency for its size. The 9-speed automatic transmission is perfectly tuned for both highway cruising and city maneuvering, while the advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures stability and grip in all conditions. The ride quality is where Mercedes-Maybach engineering truly shines. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, the motorhome glides over bumps and uneven surfaces as if floating. It automatically adjusts to road conditions, delivering a driving experience that is calm, composed, and completely free of harsh vibrations. Advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera system, make handling a vehicle of this size far easier than you'd expect. Mercedes has even integrated semi-autonomous driving capabilities, allowing the motorhome to manage certain driving functions on long stretches of highway, reducing fatigue for the driver. Another highlight of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is its onboard technology. It is equipped with a full smart home system, allowing you to control lighting, climate, entertainment, and security directly from the central touchscreen or your smartphone. Solar panels on the roof feed a high-capacity battery system, making off-grid living not only possible, but comfortable. The climate control system is multi-zoned, ensuring each part of the interior remains at the perfect temperature. There's even an advanced air purification system to maintain a fresh and healthy atmosphere inside at all times. Now, let's talk about the price, because a creation like this comes with a price tag to match its exclusivity. The base price of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome starts at around $1.9 million, with customization options that can easily take it past the $2.5 million mark. But this isn't just a purchase. It's an entry into a very exclusive lifestyle. It's for those who want the ultimate freedom of travel without ever compromising on luxury, comfort, or technology. In the real world, this motorhome is perfect for extended road trips across countries. For those who want to wake up by the sea one morning and in the mountains the next, all while surrounded by the finest materials and amenities money can buy. Whether you're parked at a luxury campsite, deep in the wilderness, or in the heart of a vibrant city, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome ensures you are always traveling first class. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is a flawless combination of mobility, performance, and absolute luxury. It is more than just a way to get from one place to another. It is a lifestyle choice for those who value elegance, comfort, and freedom above all else. From the stunning exterior design and opulent interior to the refined performance and cutting-edge technology, every detail has been perfected to deliver an unparalleled travel experience. For those who can afford it, this is not just a motorhome. It's the pinnacle of life on the move.